So, hi everyone. This is Sandipan Saha, data analyst trainee from Almabetter. Today, I will explain you my captions project Netflix movies and TV shows clustering. So, we will start a quick introduction on this project. So, Netflix is an American media company based in Los Gatos, California, founded in 1997 by Reed Hastings and Marek Randolphi. Um, it operates the over-the-top subscription video-on-demand service Netflix brand, which includes the original films and television series commissioned and acquired by the company and third-party content licensed from the distribution in Wikipedia. This dataset consists of TV shows and movies available on Netflix. The dataset is collected from Flexible, which is third-party Netflix search engine. Netflix movie and TV shows clustering is a data analysis and machine learning technique that Netflix use to group its content into the similar categories. Netflix uses machine learning algorithm to help break viewers preconceived notions and find show that they might not have initially chosen. To do this, it looks and trends within the content rather than relying on board genres to make its prediction. So this is a quick introduction of this project. Now we can move the problem statement part. This dataset consists of TV shows and movies available on Netflix as of 2019. The dataset is collected from Flexible, which is third party Netflix search engine. In 2018, they released an interesting report which shows that the number of TV shows on Netflix has nearly tripled since 2010. The streaming service of movies has declared by more than 2,000 titles since 2010. While this number of TV shows has nearly tripled, it is interesting to explore what all the others insights can be obtained from the same dataset. After that, we move the task part, uh, which is uh, performed in the project. So, exploratory data analysis, understanding the what type of content is available in different countries. Is Netflix is increasing focusing on TV rather than the movies in recent years, and the clustering similar content by reaching text based features. After that, we move the attribution part. So as you can see, there is a show ID, unique ID, type identification, title, director, cast, country, date added, release year, rating, etc. After that, we move the steps which we can follow the complete the project. First of all, we can import the libraries, import data, data summary, data visualization, data cleaning, features selection, model section, hyper training, and conclusion. First of all, we can import some libraries. So as you can see, NumPy as NP pandas, MATLAB pilot. So after that, we can import the data from Google Colab um, notebook. After that, we can basic data exploration. As we can see, there is some kind of shows uh, and the shows cast, which country from these shows are hosted, and the director name. After that, we can the data shape and data info. After that, there is a the df column section. We can define we can defining data info all also. As you can see checking duplicate values, df duplicate values. After that, we can move the data cleaning and data visualization section. So we can check the inane values. As you can see, there is a director column has highest NN values, and the cast column has the lowest NN values. So country date added rating is column also containing missing values. As you can see, we can use a plot to understanding this more nicely. Null value distribution. As you can see there, we can use another plot to understanding this section also. Dropping relevant features. So we can define the some features also, looking for unique values. So as you can see, there is a show ID has 777 unique value, type are 2, title there are 7077 titles, and the countries are 687. After that is a production code based on the content and release date. As you can see in the graph here, we can see the production growth of yearly to the release year. Let's see some unique values present in the release year. After the checking of data type of release year column, as you can see 2018 to 1995, the number of shows released shown here. After that we can checking outlines the release year column. So as we have earlier before, 2014 the prediction of growth for movies and TV shows are very less, and that's why we showing those values are less in 2009. After that there is replacing outline with mean value. As you can see, there is a release year outlines also. Yeah, so after that there is a box plot for release box plot for release year. So compilation of this axis subplots axis plot. So 2010 to 2020 there is we can see the box plot. Title, no the unique title present in the title column. Most occurred word in title, word story, Christmas. So there is some words we can use mostly in this series. Interference. It seems like word like love, man, world, story, Christmas are very common in this title. Country's prediction, most number of content, checking no unique values present in this country. 681 are the 681 countries are there. Unique value contest. As you can see, there is the United States had most number of unique values. Check the number of NN values. So as you can see, there is a 506 NN values. Let's replace those NN values with mod values. As you can see, we can replacing the mod value with the NN value. Looking for the countries and number. Netflix production. Creating a new data frame for for country data frame. As you can see, we can create a new data frame. Top countries which are in the list. As you can see, United States is the top and the France is the lowest. Type. So as creating in Netflix shows, there are 30% of TV shows and 69.14% is movies. As you can we are use a pie chart to show this duration, what the duration of this shows. So in the average we can see the 55 minutes or uh, per episode. Running time is 55% per episode of Netflix. So how many episodes are in season? So there are average in 5 seasons of every shows. So we can define the all duration in these minutes. As you can see, we can defining. After that, the analysis of the duration of the movies. As you can see in the graph, analysis of the duration of the TV shows. As you can see, we can use a graph for the analysis the duration of the TV shows. So how many unique values present in the listing? 491 unique values are there. How many NN values present in the listed? So there is zero listed value counts. As you can see, there is a 334 stand-up comedy and 320 drama movies, and ATC and dramas are 11. So as we can making a categories. So there is a 700,051 categories total. and among that 42 unique categories are present in the data set. All the categories are occurred total 17,051 times. So we can define also category wise. So action adventure 721, enemies are 57, stand-up comedy 320, 329, etc. So as you can see, there is a different type of categories in the series we can defining. So sorting these categories count by value. We are sorting. After that sorting, we are sorting the top five occurred category. After that, top 10 occurred categories. So as you can see, we can defining categories of various types, top 10 most occurred categories. As you can see there, we can use a graph to understanding these things clearly. So as you can see, top most popular categories are international movies, is the yellow one, and the romantic movies are this pink one. And this is shown the figure size, this graph. After that, creating a new column of this category, data type of listed values, histogram of the category using. So we can use a listing to categorize these histograms. As you can see, number of categories in graph section, categorizing a new column for date, added month, in which date and month they are released, the shows. As you can see, August 14 2021 is 0, and January 2020 is 4. After that, we can so you can see these graphs month wise content bar plot. So as you can see, December is the highest, and the February is the lowest of this graph point. Checking data types, top shows rating based on their system. So as you can see, based on these ratings, the top shows are top movies rating based on this rating system. After that, we can move the data preparation part. First of all, we can defining the description. As you can show, there is a defining columns. After the defining description, importing necessary we can import some necessary libraries, that scale learn features, extraction text, download NLTK, import import some import NLTK. As you can see, removing some punctuation. So as you can see, we can removing punctuation, removing stop words, uh, defining the remove stop words in text. As you can see, the output using count factorize to counter probabilities items. As you can see, after that we can see the bar content object of the 15th artist, new use of snowball streamers in English, adding a new column length which is all content length of description, top 10 top 15 most occurred words in listed in count. So now we will use the snowball streamers in English. Now we will use the text vector after the streaming. So yeah, uh, f- uh, so applying different clustering in a algorithm. So clustering is the things can consider the most important unsupervised learning problem. So every other problem of the kind, it deals with the finding a structure in a collection of unlabeled data. A loose of definition of clustering could be the process of organization object into the groups of whose members are similar of some days. So there are five type of clustering: seal or scored, elbow method, DBA scan, dendrogram, and aggressive clustering. So we can defining all of this. As we can see, there is a seal or stage scored. After that, we can defining the elbow method. As we can see, after that we can defining the DBS scan function also. Fourth is dendrogram function, and fifth is agglomerative clustering. So yeah, so this is the project of uh, Netflix movies and TV shows. We can use some data, third parties data, to analyze the shows and the total duration of the shows, which type of, and this is help to Netflix, the public and their customers, to help the future also which type of shows the people love. So yeah, that's all my side. This is our project Netflix movies and TV shows. So yeah, thank you for everyone for joining me.